First exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell alternate biceps curl.
Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Didn't even get to bronze.
10 seconds left. Rest time.
I said I'm moving too far.
Second exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell cross body hammer curl.
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the
10 seconds left.
I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to
Rest time.
shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to leave.
Third exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell goblet squat.
Shooting, shooting, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars.
Didn't even get to bronze.
Ten seconds left.
I said I'm moving too far. Getting close.
Rest time. Fourth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell bar grip sumo squat. Ten seconds left. Rest time. Fifth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell thruster.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy,
10 seconds left.
now put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter.
Rest time.
This is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like
Sixth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell standing concentration curl.
yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo. Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream.
10 seconds left.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.
Rest time.
I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Seventh exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell standing drag curl.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Just saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stats, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
10 seconds
I'm
left.
going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream.
Rest time.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Eighth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell standing hammer curl. Ten seconds left. Rest time. Ninth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell upright row.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the
10 seconds left.
following the light that sets me free.
Rest time. Tenth exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell Cuban press. Ten seconds left. Rest time. Eleventh exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell deadlift. Ten seconds left. Rest time. Last exercise. In 3, 2, 1, go! Dumbbell lunge.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final.
10 seconds left.